this video, we will show you an easy way to improve the shape of any design part by removing redundant nodes. Let's see how it works. We can edit any shape by using the node editor. More often than not, a shape may have redundant nodes. To deal with that, we may move certain nodes or even delete those that are not needed. Alternatively, we may select a number of nodes and, using the Smooth Nodes option under the Tools Options bar, we can automatically simplify the shape. So, Smooth Nodes can help you improve shapes like this one and reduce unnecessary zigzags of a shape which don't turn out well in embroidery. Let's have a closer look at this design, which is a rather useful scenario. So, this was an old embroidery design, and while it was being converted into curves, we ended up with all these nodes. So, let's see how we can make the shape smoother. Notice that the Smooth Nodes option works only for smooth nodes. All these red ones are cusp nodes. Cusp nodes are usually added for sharp shape changes. In this case, though, there are no sharp shape changes, therefore we can select some of the cusp nodes, or all of them, and change them into smooth ones. So, to demonstrate how this works, let me select some of the nodes. Before applying smooth nodes, let's see the Smooth Level option. This one takes values from 1 to 10. When closer to 1, the shape is slightly affected and less nodes are removed. Whereas the bigger the value, the more nodes are removed, and therefore the more the shape is affected. For this design, 3 is the best smoothness level. Let's apply it to the whole shape. In that way, we can smooth out any shape we like.